Today we're going to talk about PM or earthquake causes chemical cross-contamination. The workbench have the windows and the surface doors, and the exhaust to purge the chemical vapors. If we have a preventive maintenance or the tool down service, and even have the earthquake incident, the windows open unsealed and the service door open unsealed. It can cause the chemical vapor leakage and causes the chemical vapor cross-contamination to the fab environment, especially the equipments and wafers nearby, and the power fail or an earthquake incident can cause the exhaust stop due to facility issue. No exhaust and chemical vapor inside the workbench will leak out, causes chemical cross-contamination also. Unfortunately, after the earthquake incident, the workbench body could be damaged, have a crack, or separate. The body connect, causes chemical vapor leakage, and also cause the chemical cross-contamination incident to the fab environment. For example, for a PM or a service period, to improve the cross-contamination issue. Step A. Isolate. This is the fab top and the fab bottom. Before maintenance or service, we adding to install an isolator to isolate workbench. You can use the big area clean cloth to do it. Step B. Execute chemical jet and DI water clean to dilute the chemical liquid. Step C. Vent chemical vapor for a period of time. This period of time according your experience. After chemical tank dilute, there is some still chemical vapor inside the workbench, so use the exhaust to vent this vapor out for a while to let the chemical vapor no longer exist inside the workbench to prevent chemical vapor cross-contamination to the fab environment. Okay, let's all see you next time.